This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you the right way and the wrong way to delete responses in Google Forms. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. We're in Google Forms, and I'm going to be looking at the responses for this particular form I just created for my business. You can see on the Responses tab, there's 3 responses. And let's say that I wanted to delete the responses, all the responses. That's really easy. If you click on the More Actions icon, select Delete All Responses. But just note one thing. If you delete all responses, they are gone forever from this particular screen. So what I suggest doing, instead of doing it delete all responses, which is the nuclear option, if you want to preserve some of the responses but delete other ones, do it within Google Sheets. There's an option to view the responses for a Google form in Google Sheets. It may say create a sheet to view, but this one, in this case, I already have created it. So let's take a look at the responses there. And you can see that I have the 3 responses there. If I wanted just to delete the second one, no problem. Select the column, and then you can just press delete on your keyboard, or you can cut it or something like, or not cut it. Let's see here, delete row, and it's gone. So what happened is I deleted the second response, but I kept the first and the third one. And then I can go forward and just continue to use the form as normal. Here, the 3 original responses are still there. So the second one, this one, test 2 Ian, it's still there. I can view it still, but I don't risk deleting everything by using the nuclear option. So my recommendation, if you need to delete responses, do it in Google Sheets, because if you do it from the Responses tab in Google Forms, they will all be gone, and they'll be gone forever. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. For more information, check out the book that I wrote, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz. Links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.